Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video is packed with ideas to simplify your meals and keep them healthy. You'll discover 5 complete menus featuring roti, sabzi, dal, and salad for balanced nutrition. We'll also share 2 quick paneer recipes to boost your protein intake and 3 easy rice variations for ultimate comfort. For a twist, we've got 2 delicious pasta options and 3 sandwich ideas perfect for busy mornings. Each meal is quick, balanced, and designed to save you time. Let's start with menu 1, soft roti, spicy chana masala, and a refreshing carrot salad. Chickpeas are packed with protein and will keep you full for hours, while carrots provide fiber and aid digestion. Together, they create a balanced, hearty meal perfect for busy work days. For the chana masala, saute onions, tomatoes, and spices, then add boiled chickpeas and cook for 5 minutes. Pair this with freshly made roti and a quick carrot salad tossed with lemon juice. This meal is simple, nutritious, and a great way to fuel your day. Now, let's move to this, paratha, aloo matar, and cucumber raita. This classic combo is comfort food with a healthy twist. Potatoes and peas provide complex carbs and protein, while cucumber raita cools you down and aids digestion. The paratha adds a wholesome, hearty base to the meal. To make the aloo matar, cook potatoes and peas with turmeric, cumin, and coriander for a dry sabzi. Pair it with paratha and a refreshing cucumber raita made with curd, cucumber, and a pinch of cumin powder. Next up, we have menu 3, dal tadka, jeera rice, and beetroot salad. This menu is pure comfort with a touch of color. Lentils are rich in protein and iron, boosting your energy, while jeera rice provides easy to digest carbs for sustained energy. Beetroot salad is hydrating, fiber rich, and heart healthy. To prepare the dal, cook it with a simple tempering of garlic, cumin, and chilies. Serve it with steamed jeera rice and a refreshing grated beetroot salad tossed with lemon juice. This meal is nourishing, vibrant, and perfect for any day. Here's another quick idea, menu 4, roti, bhindi sabji, and sprout salad. Crunchy bhindi meets the freshness of sprouts in this light yet filling meal. Bhindi is low calorie and helps control blood sugar, while sprouts are packed with protein and essential vitamins. This menu keeps you full and energized without feeling heavy. For the bhindi sabji, toss it with onions, turmeric, and coriander for a quick and tasty dish. Pair it with a simple sprout salad, adding lemon and chaat masala for extra flavor. Let's switch it up with this, menu 5, multigrain roti, rajma masala, and onion salad. Rajma chawal fans will love this healthier twist. Rajma is packed with protein and keeps you feeling full, while multigrain roti provides fiber for better digestion. The onion salad adds a refreshing crunch and helps detoxify your body. To make the rajma, cook it with onion tomato gravy and simple spices for a rich, flavorful dish. Serve with fresh multigrain roti and a tangy onion salad with a squeeze of lemon. Time for something different now, paneer bhurji with jeera rice. Paneer is packed with protein and calcium, helping you stay energized throughout the day. Jeera rice adds a warm, nutty flavor and provides easy to digest carbs for sustained energy. This combo feels indulgent yet light, making it perfect for a long work day. To make the paneer bhurji, crumble paneer and saute it with onions, tomatoes, and turmeric for about 5 minutes. For the jeera rice, temper cumin seeds in hot oil and mix with freshly cooked rice for that signature flavor. Now, let's try this combo, methi paneer with plain rice. Methi leaves are packed with nutrients, promoting digestion and boosting immunity. Paneer adds a good dose of protein, helping you stay full and satisfied. Plain rice keeps the meal light and easy to digest. For the recipe, cook paneer cubes with methi, onions, and tomatoes to create a flavorful curry. Serve this with a side of steamed rice for a wholesome, balanced meal. Perfect for a nutritious lunch. Here's another tasty option, green Thai curry with steamed rice. This mildly spicy and creamy curry pairs perfectly with rice for a flavorful twist. Loaded with fresh vegetables, it's packed with fiber and essential nutrients. Coconut milk adds healthy fats, supporting energy and brain health. For the recipe, sauté green curry paste with coconut milk, add veggies like capsicum, beans, and zucchini, and let it simmer. Serve this aromatic curry with steamed rice for a comforting, filling meal that's perfect for lunch. This one is super easy, vegetable khichdi with curd. A wholesome, one-pot meal that's both nutritious and satisfying. Khichdi combines rice and lentils, offering a perfect balance of protein and carbs. Vegetables like carrots, peas, and beans bring essential vitamins and fiber. Curd aids digestion and adds a cooling effect, making the meal even more comforting. To make it, cook rice and moong dal with vegetables, turmeric, cumin, and ginger. Serve with fresh curd for a creamy, cooling touch. Here's another tasty option, vegetable pulao with curd raita. This all-in-one meal is nutritious, colorful, and flavorful. Mixed vegetables provide vitamins and fiber for a balanced diet, while curd raita cools your body and improves digestion. It's a satisfying, vibrant meal, perfect for office lunches. To make it, cook rice with mixed vegetables, whole spices, and a pinch of turmeric. Pair it with curd raita made with cucumber and cumin powder for the perfect finishing touch. Time for a fresh twist now. Let's dive into pasta variations, starting with desi masala pasta. For pasta lovers, we've got a desi twist with masala pasta. Whole wheat pasta gives you sustained energy, while tomatoes, capsicum, and peas add fiber and antioxidants. The Indian spices make this dish satisfying and unique. To make it, simply boil whole wheat pasta, sauté onions, tomatoes, and spices, add your veggies, and mix everything with the pasta. A flavorful fusion of Italian and Indian cuisine that you'll love. Next, let's dive into pasta 2, creamy tomato pasta, a comforting yet healthy pasta fix. Tomato sauce is rich in antioxidants like lycopene, and whole wheat pasta helps keep you full longer. This dish is creamy, tangy, and fulfilling, perfect for a cozy meal. To make it, simply cook the pasta and toss it with a sauce made from tomatoes, garlic, and milk. A deliciously creamy pasta you'll love. This one's healthy and filling, the cabbage cucumber sandwich, a refreshing, crunchy, and light option perfect for a midday snack or lunch. Cabbage is packed with fiber, helping digestion and keeping you full, while cucumbers are hydrating and loaded with essential vitamins like vitamin K. This sandwich is low in calories, filling, and full of nutrients. To make it, mix finely chopped cabbage and carrot with pepper powder and hung curd. Spread the mixture on whole wheat bread and top with fresh mint leaves for added flavor. A nutritious, satisfying sandwich that's as refreshing as it is delicious. Let's wrap up with this idea, the Veggie Club sandwich, layered, loaded, and oh so filling. Whole grain bread gives you sustained energy, while the veggies add crunch, fiber, and freshness. This sandwich is portable and perfect for a quick bite. To make it, layer the bread with lettuce, cucumber, tomato, and a spread of hung curd or green chutney. It's a wholesome, satisfying sandwich that's easy to prepare and perfect for on the go. A delicious and healthy option for any time of the day. And here's the final lunchbox idea, paneer sandwich. A delicious, protein-packed sandwich with a twist that's perfect for a quick meal. Paneer is rich in protein and calcium, making it great for muscle health and bone strength. This sandwich is full of flavor and helps keep you full longer, with a perfect blend of spices to excite your taste buds. To make it, crumble paneer and mix it with finely chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies, coriander, and chaat masala. Spread the mixture on whole wheat bread and grill until golden and crispy, a flavorful, filling, and healthy option. In this video, we learned how to create balanced menus with roti, sabzi, dal, and salad for a wholesome meal. We explored paneer recipes for protein-packed dishes that keep you energized. Quick rice, pasta, and sandwich variations were also shared to add variety to your meals. Each recipe is simple and time-saving, taking less than 15 minutes to prepare. These ideas are perfect for busy days while ensuring you stay nourished and satisfied. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear which recipe you're most excited to try and what topic you'd like us to cover next. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep shining.